The Stanbroil built-in single side burner is a premium addition designed to elevate the functionality of any backyard cooking space. Crafted from high-grade 304 stainless steel, this commercial quality appliance offers exceptional durability and resistance to rust, corrosion, and harsh outdoor elements. Engineered specifically for configurations utilizing natural gas, it provides a reliable and continuous fuel source without the hassle of changing propane tanks. Home chefs can easily prepare side dishes, simmer savory sauces, or boil corn right alongside their main grill, keeping all cooking activities unified in one elegant outdoor setup. Integrating the Stanbroil built-in single side burner into a custom island or outdoor counter provides seamless aesthetic appeal and maximum utility. The heavy-duty stainless steel cooking grate provides a sturdy, flat surface capable of supporting heavy pots and cast iron skillets with ease. Featuring a reliable ignition system, this natural gas unit delivers precise heat control through its front-facing control knob, allowing users to effortlessly switch from a low simmer to a rapid boil. The sleek, drop-in design ensures a flush fit with your countertop, creating a clean, professional look that matches other high-end outdoor kitchen components. Maintenance and longevity are core advantages of choosing the Stanbroil built-in single side burner. For your outdoor entertainment area, the 304 stainless steel construction ensures that grease spills and food residue can be quickly wiped away, keeping the cooking station looking pristine after every gathering. A matching stainless steel lid is typically included to protect the internal burner assembly from dust, rain, and debris when the appliance is not in active use. By expanding your culinary capabilities, this dedicated natural gas side burner transforms a standard grilling area into a fully capable luxury outdoor kitchen. Pros: premium 304 stainless steel, resists rust and weather, sturdy build quality, powerful 12,000 BTU burner, superior heat output, quickly cooks sides, provides extra cooking space, upgraded safe knob, quick to operate, removable lid protects burner, easy to clean, low maintenance. Reliable push ignition system, durable and long-lasting, complementary matching aesthetic, high performance addition. Cons: natural gas only, requires natural gas plumbing, no featured offers available, no liquid propane support, requires specific cutout dimensions. Features: built-in single side burner 304 stainless steel construction, for outdoor kitchen use. Natural gas use only. The Stanbroil built-in single side burner is a premium addition designed to elevate the functionality of any backyard cooking space. Crafted from high-grade 304 stainless steel, this commercial quality appliance offers exceptional durability and resistance to rust, corrosion, and harsh outdoor elements. Engineered specifically for configurations utilizing natural gas, it provides a reliable and continuous fuel source without the hassle of changing propane tanks. Home chefs can easily prepare side dishes, simmer savory sauces, or boil corn right alongside their main grill, keeping all cooking activities unified in one elegant outdoor setup. The Stanbroil built-in single side burner is a durable and stylish addition to your outdoor kitchen. Built from premium, rust-resistant 304 stainless steel that is easy to clean and maintain, it provides excellent extra cooking space with a powerful 12,000 BTU burner for quick, high heat performance, complemented by a reliable push ignition system, an upgraded safe control knob, and a removable protective lid. On the downside, installation requires specific cutout dimensions and dedicated natural gas plumbing, as the unit strictly runs on natural gas with no support for liquid propane. And there are currently no featured promotional offers available.